Hi guys, if you are often concerned about data theft on meta platforms like Instagram and Facebook, here's the new way to protect your data from get stolen or the infragmented content. You could be a creator, you could be a businessman, business owner, and you could be running a business agency or having commercial interest on Meta, and you publish your content on Meta, and someone copy it from your content and publish it on their platform, their pages, their profiles, and they get benefit from it or misuse it. So Facebook introduced a pretty new feature in which you can apply for Meta copyright management tool, and once you go live in it, once Facebook verify your information, then you will be able to just list the content, and Facebook will remove it on your behalf. So it required some simple steps. I will paste this link in the description. You can copy the link from my description, and you just need to log in to your Facebook account and scroll it. That click on this link, and here are some description about rights manager, and here your assets will be appeared, your Facebook pages, your profiles, your business manager, your Instagram account, everything will be appeared here, and whatever you want to protect you can select it, and what you want to protect actually, the video, the image, or the sounds. It could be according to your niche or something. So then you have to like categorize yourself what you are really, and then you need to enter the name of your company, of your official legal name, uh, who is the representative of that content. So then you need to describe some information a bit, like how often you publish the content, and have you reported before about your copyright matters or things. And here you need to put an example of your content. It could be a video or image or something you want to put in. And then you need to share your presence on other channels as well. Although it's optional, but it helps Facebook to understand like how you managing the content and what your content actually is. Then you need to share the details here, the purpose of saving them. Then you need to write your email here, and Facebook send a code there and verify it, uh, because it want to check it's really you. Make sure you are using a domain email of the of the business you are protecting if you are running a business. And in the creator side, you can use a personal email or whatever it is. But for business, make sure you are using the domain email, and then submit and agree. So Facebook will receive your request, and Facebook open a copyright tool manager by assessing your need. Because if you are regular a creator or the media agency, it will open rapidly, and then you can manage your content there, and then you can claim the content copyrights within staying in Meta. And they also provide a lawsuit for your copyright protection. I'll make the next video on it, and you can watch it on my channel.